Hi, welcome to another episode of Girl You Always Doing Something. Today I'm going to talk to you about this pattern, Simplicity Pattern 8375. This is a pattern review. This is not a sewing tutorial. I do have a sewing tutorial on this. You can check it out. Let's get started. Okay, so I chose to make this dress in a black and white striped knit fabric. I could not find the white and blue that was on the picture, but this was a really nice project, a very beginner friendly project. I had to alter this pattern a lot of altering, which is not unusual for me because I have a smaller waist and bigger hips, probably like most women of minority may have. So I had to do the top of medium, and then I had to start grading out the pattern to like an extra large, which wound up being too big. So I had to cut it down to a large. A lot of alteration, but this was a really nice easy sew. I am going to probably make a few more dresses like this. It's quick, it's easy. I absolutely adored making it. I believe you can actually just sew this pattern up in 30 minutes or less. Cut out your pieces one day, and in 30 minutes, especially if you have an industrial sewing machine, you can easily finish this off really quick. I'm going to make a few more of these dresses. I'm going to try to find that white and blue fabric because spring is right around the corner. So this was a really nice easy sew, very beginner friendly. Again, I have a video on how to sew this pattern. Try it, check it out, play around with it, build up your sewing skills. But very quick and easy. They did an excellent job with this simplicity pattern. I give it all thumbs up. Please like, rate, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much.